Just when we thought the rainy season had begun, it suddenly turned hot. It's a hot day, but the weather is so beautiful. So today, I'd like to introduce a restaurant located between Odawara and Atami. Just look at this view. The color of the blue sea is simply stunning. As you drive along the coast between Odawara and Atami, you come across many restaurants serving delicious fresh seafood. Today, I decided to stop by this one. I ordered the sashimi set meal. Everything was so fresh and tasty. Come enjoy fresh seafood with a breathtaking ocean view.